In this video, I want to show you a simple strategy that you can use on impact.com to make money. So this strategy is going to give you around $200 per commission for every affiliate offer that you successfully sell. So most people want to use, or most people want to do affiliate marketing, but they do not know the strategy. And in this video, I want to show you a simple way to do this. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭, but I'm hoping that you know this already. So what we want to do is we want to come to this place called impact.com. So if you've watched any of my videos around affiliate marketing, you would know that I talk a lot about this website called impact.com. And this is because this is an affiliate marketplace, and it is currently one of my best, if not my best affiliate marketplace. And the reason is because this platform gives you an opportunity to work directly with big brands. And the advantage of working with big brands is that these brands, they already have the audience and they have the trust and all of that. So selling products for big brands, it's easier than promoting unknown brands. So let's say you wanted to sell an iPhone or Samsung, it would be easier for you to sell because these are quite large brands. So the first step is to make an account right here. And this video is not going to cover that. This video doesn't cover how you create an account on impact.com because I have a full 50 minutes video that covers that already. So again, the first reason why we want to use Impact is because we want to work with proven big brands. So if you come to impact.com, if you come here where it says discover, you can come here and then you can find brands, and that's where we want to be. We want to find brands so that we can work directly with big brands. And these big brands, they have very high ticket items or very properly priced items or products that we can sell. So if you are new and you come to Impact, this is a kind of interface you should see. But most big brands would not accept new persons because they want you to have some level of profit or experience before they can accept you. So what you are going to do for you to start making money almost immediately is to come here where it says pre-qualified. And what you want to do here, you want to find brands that are ready to work with you directly. They don't care if you have the experience or if you've made sales before or not. So if you click on pre-qualified, you want to find different brands that you can work with. Another good thing with Impact is that these people, they pay high commission. So we can see 30% here. We can see 25 to 30. We can see 25%. We can see 20%. And when you see online sales, this simply means is the order sale amount. So if you click on pre-qualified, you find the one that you want. So I already selected one that I want to use for this video, and it is called Vans Power or Van Power. So if I come to my brands here, I should find it. It's equally free for you to join because it's in the pre-qualified category. So you can join it the moment you get the approval to Impact. Also, if you want to know how to get approval on Impact, I have a couple of videos already that covers that topic because it's quite important. So if I scroll down, you see that I have Van Powers here, and you can first of all create the link to Van Powers. All right, you can come here, search for Van Powers. So sometimes it doesn't come up here, and I really don't know why. So maybe we need to give you some time to come up here. So you can also come here and click on assets, and you can get a tracking link from there. All right, so let's give it some time to come up so we can collect our tracking link. So your tracking link is also an affiliate link. So if you come here, you see that these guys, they are currently in the Black Friday sales, and you can see they have different kind of bikes that they want to sell. So this is a bike company, and if you come to their website here, if you come to the Van Power website, you can see that they sell e-bikes, and they have a lot of bikes. They even have a community and then equipment that you can basically sell for to an audience, and then you are going to earn commission. So you are going to earn 10% of the order sale amount. So you can see that they have really cool stuff here, and you can see this one is $1,000. This is $900. This is about $870, and there are a whole lot of them. So we want to get our tracking link, and we can come here, we can basically select any of this thing here, any of the pictures they've provided for us. So these assets we can use to market. All right, so they've designed this asset for you to use to market. So you can come here, you can click on get tracking link. So this is going to be our tracking link. So you copy it. All right, so you copy it, and before you start promoting, you want to go back and read the term of agreement, what you are going into with this brand. So we are going to earn 10% of the order sale amount. So the order sale amount simply means if somebody comes and they buy 2 bikes, then the total amount you are going to earn 10% of it. But let's look at it properly, so we are on the same term. So if you come here, you click on details. This is basically the details, but we want to look at the terms. So here we have the 10% sales, and let's look at the contract. So you come here, you click on contract. You want to read the contract of agreement or the term of agreement. So we want to understand how much we are going to earn from these guys for promoting this product to them. So as you can see right here, it says it's 10% of the order sale amount. So the actions are logged 27 days after the end of the day they are tracked. So they are approved 10 days after the days that they've been locked, after the 27 days. So we are looking at 37 days, and it has a 30 days referral window. So this is a cookie duration, and this simply means if people click on your link, they have 30 days to make the purchase. So we've found a product, we've found our affiliate link, we've looked at the terms, and we are happy with everything. Now let's go to the real thing, which is how we actually promote this product. So this is how I would like to do it. So you come to this website, and then you want to select the particular product that you want to promote. So if you want to promote multiple products, you want to get multiple pictures, and then you want to create a category link for this product. So I'm just going to use one picture or 2 pictures or 1 product, so it doesn't get confusing for you, especially if you've never done this before. So once you come to the e-bikes here, and you can select anyone basically. So in order not to waste our time, or not to make this video too lengthy, I am going to just download 1 or 2 of the bikes there, and then we are going to proceed. So all you have to do is just search for any of the bikes. So you can basically click on this bike if you want to market this very one, and then you can just save this picture. All right, since you have an agreement with these people, you're an affiliate for them, then you have the right to use their materials to promote it, because again, you're an affiliate and you have an agreement with them to earn affiliate commission. So you can just right click on this, and you can save the image as a PNG, as a as a WebP file. So you can just save that. So we have gotten the material that we want to use to promote this. So we want to come to this website called shorturl.at. So we want to shorten our affiliate link so it doesn't look too spammy, or it doesn't look again spammy. So you put that link here, and you click on shorten URL. So I have to do this again. So I have to come to shorturl.at, or you can use Bitly, you can use Tiny URL, you can use URL Genius. There are a lot of them. So I'm just going to use this one. So you copy your affiliate link, you come here, you paste, and then you shorten it. So we are going to get a short URL right here. So you copy this URL, and now we want to go to the main place, which is we are going to use Twitter in this case, but there are a lot of other free platforms that we can use. So I'm going to be making videos around that, and if you want to watch these videos, then subscribe and turn on the notification so that when I drop the video, you'll be the first person to know. And if this video has been helpful so far, please like the video and again subscribe. So now we want to use Twitter for this, and I already have a Twitter account that I want to use, and all I have to do is to basically try to put these things out on Twitter, because Twitter is a very, I think, a very level playing platform, which means any post can actually get traction. So you can come here and then you can write a nice thing about the bike. You can say this bike is it can be basically anything eco-friendly, and in the next few months I'll be rocking it. All right, of course you can do much better than this. I'm just doing this off the dome. If I was going to do this properly, I would try to create something more catchy and something more persuasive than this. So I might just make a video on that. So you can say get discounts here, get a discount here, and then again you can put your affiliates. This is where you put your affiliate link. But remember, we downloaded some pictures, and there's a reason for that, because we want to catch people's attention. So we come here and then we click on this, and we want to get the picture. So this is the picture we downloaded. So you can upload a picture, and this is what we want. So as you can see, this is a very clean, high quality picture, and all we have to do now is say publish. So you can join trends. You can see what's trending in your own location or in the United States, because again, this product is going to be more useful to the people in some select countries. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. So if you come back to the affiliate link, all right, come back to the affiliate link, they have specific regions that they cover. And what this means is that if you sell or if you get offers outside these places, is not going to count because they cannot track it, and that is not their target market. So you want to read all these terms before you start promoting this product. So let me just take a few seconds to show you exactly what I mean. So if I come to Vans Power here, and then if you come to the details right here, you can see their service location. So they service the France, Spain, United States, Ireland, Italy, UK, and all of that. So once you are done with that, you have that sorted. All you have to do is publish this post. So this is how this post is going to appear, and as you can see, it has been sent. So if people see this post and they click on this, it's going to take them to your affiliate link, and they have exactly 30 days to make this purchase, and you are going to earn 10% of the order sell amount. And this, my friend, is how you can easily start making at least $200 per commission for affiliating products without spending any money online. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video. If no, tell me in the comment section. Let's talk about it. And please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.